Welcome to our deep dive into the Yassa, the set of rules and principles that helped Genghis Khan build one of the most powerful empires in history. Imagine the vast steppes of 13th century Mongolia, where tribes were locked in endless conflict. From this chaos, Genghis Khan rose, uniting the Mongol tribes and forging a vast empire. The Yassa wasn't just a set of laws, it was a blueprint for conquest, transforming nomadic tribes into an unstoppable force. In this series, we'll explore the fascinating tenets of the Yassa and how it shaped the Mongol Empire. The Yassa demanded absolute loyalty to Genghis Khan and his successors. Betrayal was punishable by death. Sending a clear message to challenge the Khan was to challenge the empire. This unwavering loyalty created a formidable force renowned for discipline and obedience. Mongol armies, bound by their oath to the Khan, were a terror to their enemies. Before Genghis Khan, the Mongol tribes were constantly at odds. He used the Yassa to emphasize unity and cooperation, knitting them together under his banner. The Yassa broke down old tribal barriers, replacing them with a new order based on merit and loyalty to the empire. The Yassa mandated the equal sharing of war spoils among all warriors, regardless of rank. This ensured fairness and camaraderie, incentivizing Mongol warriors to conquer. Knowing they would be rewarded for their bravery fueled their drive. Genghis Khan recognized that true strength lay in empowering the most capable. The Yassa established a merit-based system, ensuring the most skilled and loyal individuals rose through the ranks. This meritocratic system ensured the Mongol Empire was always led by its best and brightest. The Mongol Empire was a vast and diverse realm, encompassing many faiths. Genghis Khan enshrined religious freedom within the Yassa, allowing people to practice their chosen religion without fear. This policy of tolerance fostered peace and stability within the empire. The Yassa imposed severe punishments for crimes like theft and disobedience. This harsh system of justice was strictly enforced, maintaining order and discipline. The Yassa's strict laws served as a deterrent, reminding everyone of the consequences of transgression. Unlike many societies of their time, the Mongols held women in high regard. The Yassa afforded women a degree of agency and protection uncommon in the 13th century. Women could own property, inherit wealth, and even rise to positions of power within the empire. The Yassa established a sophisticated relay system known as the Yam. This network of way stations allowed messages and goods to crisscross the empire with remarkable speed. The Yam was essential for maintaining contact with distant provinces and deploying armies. The Yassa established a fair and standardized system of taxation across the empire. This ensured everyone contributed their fair share, preventing excessive burdens on any one group. The system's fairness and transparency ensured the empire had the resources it needed to function. The Yassa placed great emphasis on protecting trade routes, particularly the Silk Road. Merchants were encouraged to travel and trade freely, their safety guaranteed by the Khan's laws. This protection of trade facilitated the exchange of goods, ideas, and culture between East and West. The Yassa transformed nomadic tribes into one of the most powerful empires in history. By fostering loyalty, unity, meritocracy, and tolerance, Genghis Khan created a formidable society. The Yassa's principles influenced countless societies across Asia and beyond. Even today, the Yassa stands as a reminder of the power of clear vision and strong leadership.